I want to show how a door goes together in this car, in this model. This is the basic door once we get it out of the mold, and what I've done here is I've gapped this and sanded it a bit. It'll get sanded more at the once I get it painted, but for now this is how I'll take it to the painter. What we do is we get out the mold, we take it and put it into a tool, and the tool locates the bracket for the hinge. We epoxy it into place. This is the same stuff that is used in actual cars to keep them from flying apart, so that's not going anywhere. Here, it's a locking mechanism, right? It has good adjustability. I'm able to move this hook back and forth to make sure it makes good contact with the strike via a set screw in the bottom. Also, there's in this rotating mass here, you'll see another set screw that allow me to adjust the pin inward or outward, also to accommodate for adjustability. Here, of course, is the handle, right? And the strike itself. Let's take this off, right? Let me affix that to the floor pan. And the next step, once I've gotten the door kind of trimmed like this, or gapped, is I take it and I locate where the holes go. Right? Something like that. Do my measurements, right? And then, once I got the holes located, I actually grind this out. And that's because you see the shape of the door. It's not welcoming for this shape here, this flat bottom side of the latch. So we grind that out, make sure it fits nice. And then, this gets epoxied into place. Now this is done temporarily. Ground it out so it lays flat in there rather. Well, now it's temporarily put in place. Then I put the bottom of the surround in, door surround. It gets located in. Okay. And the top of the door. It gets located, right? And once I have it where I want it, I trace everything out so that I can glue it back in, pull it aside, then I start sanding and clean these up, right? Same thing, sand and clean this up. And these are rough. The real ones actually, use those on the runner. The ones for the guys I'm building are nice and much cleaner to begin with. But then what happens is once I've got them clean, I epoxy them into place, make sure the door is functional, right? I put it back on the car, this. You can see, it's here. And there we are. All right, straighten that out. So, this is Chris's car.